How to create an add to cart button in Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy and also so effective it is to create an add to cart button into or add a to bag button into your Hostinger website. So it is going to be very easy and very simple. We're going to have this type of the button integrated into the Hostinger website builder. So it is going to be an easy process. We're going to begin our journey by heading over hostinger.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see, as you can see here, the H panel or the dashboard of the website. Once you have saw that, you're going basically to head over the left side of the screen, select websites, click on websites list, and then you're going to see all the websites that you have created. We're going to make sure that we are going to use or edit or modify the website that has the discontinued, as you can see, square. So we are going to click on edit website. For example, I'm going to edit that website, and then we are going to see the website loaded or the website builder, of course, loaded. Now, what are we going to do is to see the different sections of the website, and we are going to select one of them. So basically, I'm going to choose where I am going to put our button. Basically, I'm going to create a specific section for a product. Maybe we are going to have here, for example, the product added already. So we are going to create a product first. So let's check for the products. I'm going to head over real quick to the products and check for the products that we have. I am going to wait for a few seconds, and we have here, as you can see, some of the products. So we have some set of plates and etc. Now I'm going to add, for example, an image. I'm going to put an image first, and that image is going to be the specific image for a product. You can go ahead and replace the image. So let's see here if we have some images like maybe we're going to put plates since we have put the plates as a product. I'm going to have maybe this type of plate. I'm going to add it to the page and it is going to be changed to something like that. I'm going to make it a little bit longer. So we are going to have it just like this, put like that. Now, what I am going to do is to add some more elements like text. I'm going to have here this text as a header or a title for that. For example, three sets of plates, or we're going to put here colorful plates, and we're going to put it like that. So maybe I'm going to edit that text and select another font, do something like this. And then we are going to have another text, which is going to be the price. For example, we're going to have here the price, and we are going to edit that text. We're going to put it as maybe heading 6, which is going to be used for prices. We are going to put the price of it, for example, $30. And I'm going to put here, for example, the price. So here we are going to add the price 2 points, and here we have the definition of the price. I'm going to put it in here just like that. Something like this is better, I think. So what we're going to do now is going to add another text, which is going to be a paragraph in here. In this case, going to click on edit, add paragraph, for example, number 2 or paragraph number 1. This is better. So we are going to put the description of that specific product. I'm going to select all of that, delete it. Uh, this is, for example, 3 colorful plates in just one set. For example, red. I'm going to put red, blue, and let's say here maybe this is, I think this is going to be purple. So purple. And we are going to put here maybe this a little bit of description, and go ahead and select all the text in here and put a maybe a better description in here. I'm going to select this line because I do not need it. and we are going to put it just like this. Now, what I am going to do, or what can you do in here? You're going to click on Add Elements. We have buttons, and we have Add to Bag buttons or Add to Cart. This is the button that we seek for. So we are going to have it in here, and we are going to program this button. We are going to click on Edit button, and then we are going to select or choose the product. So basically, we're going to set up the set of plates. You can edit the product and also let it as it is. So basically, when you are going to set this button like that, you're going to let the customer add only one product or the quantity of one product. You cannot set up for example, the quantity in here. They can go ahead and head over the product. So for example, I'm going to put here add to cart instead, and I'm going to save in here the settings. After you have set up the settings, everything is in place. Do not forget to set up the payment methods. So it is going to be important to have the payment methods in place. So now what I am going to do is basically have right there the payment methods into the specific area. In here, we are going to head over the manage store. We're going to head over the settings, and we are going to see if we can go ahead and put some of the let's say here payment methods. So we are going to see the store details. This is not what I wanted to see, but this is it. Payments. Go ahead and set up your payments. Depending on your country location, you're going to set up the payments. You can go ahead and set up the shipping, the checkouts, and etc. So basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. You can go ahead and preview your button right there and see where it will take you on. So you're going to have it just like that. Click on Add to Cart, and the checkout is disabled. So it is going to be a question of payment methods and also preview mode. I have forgot that you can go ahead and edit the type of the button for the style of it. So you can go ahead and put the filling color of the button and also the hover option of it. So what you're going to see whenever you're going to interact with your mouse or hover about it, you're going to see that it is going to be blanked a little bit. Here we have the text, as you can see, color, the font, so that you can go ahead and change the font to something like the Oswald, like that. You're going to increase the text size and etc. And you can go ahead and make your specific button as like a pill, like that, pill shaped, or you can go ahead and put it as sharp as possible. And also you can go ahead and put it as semi-pill. So it is going to be just like that. So the corner are going to be rounded. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and you hope to see you in the next one.